Tired of watching your hard-earned money sit in a low-yield savings account that barely keeps up with inflation? You've got savings goals. Maybe it's a new car, a down payment on a house, or just a stronger emergency fund. But if your bank account is giving you minimal returns, you're essentially leaving free money on the table. In fact, many traditional bank accounts offer an annual percentage yield, or APY, that is a fraction of what's possible. Today, we're diving into how to leverage EverBank's performance suite of accounts to truly maximize the return on your cash. EverBank has built a reputation for competitive rates, and understanding how to use their products is key to getting the most out of your money. First up is the EverBank Performance Savings Account. This is the cornerstone of maximizing your returns. Their high-yield savings account offers a competitive new account APY that far surpasses the national average. The first strategy for maximum return is simple: maximize your deposits here. Unlike some banks, EverBank Performance Savings generally has no minimum balance requirement to earn that top APY and no monthly maintenance fee. This means every dollar you deposit is earning a premium rate right from the start. Plus, interest is compounded daily, which means your interest starts earning interest immediately. That's the power of compounding working for you. Next, consider the role of their certificates of deposit, or CDs. If you have a portion of your savings that you know you won't need for a specific period, say 7 months, a year, or longer, a performance CD can lock in a fixed, high rate. For example, their promotional 7-month performance CD often has an APY comparable to the savings account, but it gives you a guaranteed fixed rate for that term. The key here is to use a CD ladder strategy. By dividing your large sum into multiple CDs with staggered maturity dates, you keep some funds accessible at regular intervals while benefiting from the higher rates that come with fixed-term savings. Finally, let's look at liquidity with the EverBank Performance Money Market Account. This account combines a high yield with easy access, making it great for your midterm goals or a larger emergency fund. A crucial detail with the money market is that its top-tier APY is typically reserved for balances above a certain threshold, like $10,000 or even higher. To maximize returns, you want to make sure your balance stays in that top tier. Another major benefit? Both the Performance Savings and Performance Money Market accounts offer ATM fee reimbursements, which makes accessing your cash, when you need it, cost-effective and truly convenient. So, to recap the 3-step plan to maximize returns with EverBank. Direct your main savings to the EverBank Performance Savings account for a high-yield, no-fee foundation. Lock in a fixed rate for future goals with a performance CD ladder. Keep your accessible emergency or midterm funds in the Performance Money Market account and maintain a balance above the highest tier minimum to secure the best rate and unlimited ATM fee reimbursement. By strategically utilizing the high yields, 0 monthly maintenance fees, and compounding features across these FDIC-insured accounts, you can build a comprehensive and high-performing savings strategy that puts your money to work. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.